Now let's say after the completion of document, I need to save it as a PDF and then send it to a person. So in order to save a Word document as a PDF, I'll go to File and go to Save As and select the location like we did before. And wherever you want to save, just select that location, and you have the save as types. By default, it is Word document, but I can simply save it to PDF and click Save. Now I'm using Foxit Reader, so as soon as I save, it will automatically open that document to show you the preview. So this is perfect. I'll just close it. Now there is one more formatting option that I want to discuss with you. That is, sometimes you send the Word document to the client, but the client is using old version of Office. Suppose we are using Microsoft Office 2016 and client is using Microsoft Office 2010 or 7. In these cases, our document might show some problems there. When he open document, he will not see it properly. So if you want him to see properly and you don't know what format he is using, just simply go on Save As Types and change it to Word 97 to 2003 document. This is a special Save As type so that it can be easily opened in every Microsoft Office product, whether old or new, all will see the correct formatting of the document. Let's see how it looks like. The format will be little changed. You can see that Microsoft Word 2013 format is this, and this thumbnail is little different. But the convenience of this is you can simply send it to a client in whatever version he is using. You don't need to worry about that. So these are some of the Save As types that you can use on Word.